Shower fair to welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cast Dance and Less. And I mean, that's good, beautiful, great fun to be the entertainer. Today I'm going to check up on Marcus Ghost. Marcus Ghost to the Let's go to him. Marcus goes to during the na flow. Not chichi fella. Robert Hitchy drive. So guys, today I'm checking out. It's day 3 of Katra's E30 build here at Marcus Ghost. He stripped everything off, starting it over. You remember last time they put in the engine, the 2.5, right now Katra is making it a 2.9. Brought it to Marcus Ghost. So they're gonna make it a 2.9. They're gonna do the body work. They're gonna make everything perfect. Marcus Ghost still I'm fine. Why not? The best favor he's ever done for himself was to make sure that he has rims and tires ready. Doing body work, putting in the new fender. Exhaust system, oh yeah, remember import exhaust system. Playing tip it. Play.
I want to line it.
We'll be straight. Motho a ka se robale se after a ka se robale wa motho la ka fita mo ka 9
Yeah.
o tota we for sure we bethile gampe gole making it a 2.9. I don't know where the engine is. So the piston in Udishi guy?
CRC.
What did you seriously?
Would
True. Giddy. We did a 2.9.
From 2529.
Maro motso mothono mo dielang 2.9 mara. O to tshwenya kudu.
By 229.
O to tshwenya kudu.
Oh, visite ke la ya mfano.
Ele ready ela o tla kwa.
Yeah, ready. Hey.
Batho ba di BM ba ka kotsi. E ba ka se moshie. Yeah.
Brandal.
Kwa pele o kgona ho rest.
Man.
Oxeso ka re ke ntshana. Skatli. Kole yo drop wa botlhoko. Ena peitsi. Wait, dropa botlhoko. Yo ba BM engwe ya o dropi. Ba mmitse distancing ba ska mogumana. Aga tswila khonno ya because distance di tla ka weekend ya dizoi. Ela ka tswila khonno ya distancing di tla ka weekend nako ya dizoi le gape. Ever. Bona bola go no mmitsa mabuka mahala. Bam. Yeah. It's ntwe Stephen a re fisa ka morao sa nyake ya gore bamba ra etse.
Yeah, papa. Oh, to salute.
A ke na ntwe. Mara ka pele ke nna. Shore ka pele ke yone a o tshwere. talk and I talk it. Katra's BMW E30 built. They're flattening and preparing the body. The engine, they say it's somewhere here. Now, what's left is what's left is just bend it. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to love and leave you. Let them work in peace. Let me leave. I will love and leave you guys. And yeah, guys, that is all we have for this episode of Katra. And class, and it could be for great fun. It could be the entertainer. We'll